Benvinguts a un nou Coffe Connection. Punto estrella es que hay 4 entidades que se presentan, de las que han llegado últimamente al parque, y luego un grupo de investigación del IB que ya está más tiempo en el parque, pero que es interesante que nos presente hoy su actividad.
Yo soy Ruth Beibe y os presento el proyecto de Decapenta. Hace aproximadamente 7 meses, junto con mi compañera Ana Domena, decidimos montar Decapenta. ¿Qué es Decapenta? Pues Decapenta es un laboratorio de análisis físico-químicos que ofrece servicios a terceros. ¿Cuál es nuestro objetivo principal? Nuestro objetivo principal, básicamente, es intentar liberar a las empresas de aquellas actividades más rutinarias o que no les aportan demasiado valor y dejarles que ellos se centren en su core business.
I am the CEO of Imidomics. Imidomics is a company that is focused on the discovery of next-generation medicines to treat people who have immune-mediated inflammatory diseases, and that's where the name of the company comes from, Imidomics. We are a relatively small company. We're 27 people. We are located here, of course, in the PCB, but we also have a location up in San Francisco, California. We have raised money in a Series A, and we are enabling a platform that is going to integrate patient data to be able to discover these new drugs and to be able to distinguish subpopulations of patients who will be most responsive to these drugs. And I'll tell you a little bit about this.
So I'm Tim Cash. I'm the CSO and a co-founder of Rejuversen. So this is just a history of our company. We were initially founded in Zurich in June of 2020 with the name Rejuveron Senescence Therapeutics, or RST for short. We spent the first year focusing on our lead program in oncology and ran the company largely virtual until we got our seed funding in November of 2021. And prior to that, we had set up a subsidiary in Spain with the main goal of running early discovery operations and some basic support programs for the lead program here at the PCB, because we knew how wonderful it was from our previous experience in another company here. So what do we actually do in our company? Well, our main goal in developing all of our therapies is to eliminate these things called senescent cells from both tumors and from age-related disorders, in particular fibrosis.
El objetivo de la compañía es desarrollar inmunoterapias avanzadas basadas sobre todo en la tecnología CAR-T. La compañía arranca en el año 2020 con una fundraising de capital semilla de 3,5 millones de euros con el objetivo de desarrollar terapias basadas en la tecnología CAR-T. Nosotros actualmente estamos en fase clínica en algunos de nuestros assets. La compañía nace del instituto de la Fundación Josep Carreras contra la leucemia y en particular nace del laboratorio del Dr. Pablo Menéndez, un profesor ICREA en la Fundación Carreras. Actualmente nos hemos mudado al Parc Scientific. Actualmente, durante todo 2021 y 2022, hemos desarrollado todo el proceso de preclínica y actualmente, como os explicaré, estamos en fase clínica con uno de nuestros assets.
Literally started back in 2019, but for obvious reason, the move has been delayed for a few years, and now we have established our activity here at the park, together with the IBEC, within the IBEC Institute and under patronage of ICREA. And right now, Barcelona is basically taking quite a large majority of our groups. There's about 22 investigators working here in 2 labs in the cluster 1 and in the office in the towers. Our activities are very diverse. We mix very intimately physics, chemistry, and biology in order to design medicine in a better way. As such, we have created a large repertoire of activity where we take inspiration from biology and try to understand how biological transport works and mimic it synthetically using what we call molecular engineering tools. Effectively, we synthesize molecules that self-assemble into macromolecules and then make much more complex arrangement. And the idea is to then create units that can survive the biological complexity and deliver in the body more effectively and as effectively as possible.